So the process to change kilometers to miles on Google Maps is quite easy and simple, and it is same for Android as well as iPhone. So once you are here, for example, if you go and put in any location, tap on direction. For now, it is in kilometers. To change to it miles, go back to your normal screen. Now tap on this profile icon at the right top corner. Once that is open, tap on settings. So you can see settings here. Tap on this. This would open up. Now scroll down a bit. Under using maps, you have an option of distance units. Tap on distance units. Tap on miles. Select that. Go back. Go back. And now if you put in any location, tap on directions. You can see it is in miles. So hope by doing so you'll be able to change kilometers to miles on Google Maps. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share.